how to Hello and welcome to today's Employer on the Go tutorial. Today, we'll be learning how to enter payroll hours using the Enhanced Pay Grid in our Enter Payroll function. As we learned in our last video, the Enter Payroll function in Employer on the Go allows you to enter specific information to be used in the calculation of employee paychecks. To access this menu, you may either select the Enter Payroll tab on the home screen, or highlight the Payroll tab at the top and choose Enter Payroll. After we're brought to the Enter Payroll screen, we're able to view the start and end dates of our current pay period, as well as the pay date and pay frequencies for our company. A number of columns can be observed on this screen, the first few of which show your employees' information. Seen here, we have our employee's ID number, last and first name, and pay type and rate. The selections that you made in the Enter Payroll Setup menu, which were discussed in detail during our last video, will dictate which earning codes you'll see in the following columns. You'll notice that, again, for our demo company, we'll be viewing regular and overtime hours, as well as vacation, holiday, and sick time. The screen you're viewing at the moment illustrates the default pay grid. To view the enhanced pay grid, as discussed prior, we'll select the Setup tab at the top and choose Default to Enhanced Pay Grid from the menu we see on the left. Here, we might also choose to view a separate divisions column. Remember that the Default to Enhanced Pay Grid option must be selected if you wish to view any of the other options within this same menu. Let's say we might also want to view employee locations and departments. We can choose this and other changes within the same setup screen, as detailed before. After you made your selections, click Save in the bottom right corner. You'll notice that our divisions, locations, and departments have been added as their own separate columns on our list. Remember that this screen is entirely customizable, so you only need to include the columns and information that you wish to view. Additionally, these columns can be reordered in any way you like. Simply click and drag the top of a column to move it to a new location on the list. If for whatever reason you have an employee who requires multiple entries, simply click on that employee's row to highlight it and select Add in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now we're able to see two separate entries for this employee. If you're happy with your layout after making edits and would like to save it for entering future payrolls, you may click the Save Layout button in the bottom of your screen. To begin entering hours for employees, simply click on a particular box and begin to enter your hours. Pressing the Tab key will allow you to begin entering information in the adjacent box. Let's say, for instance, Charlie Brown worked 40 regular hours during this pay period, as well as 8 hours for overtime, took 1 day of vacation off, totaling 8 hours, and had 2 days of holidays. You'll notice that a total section will auto-update in the bottom left table to show total hours in each category, as well as the total hours on your chart and the total dollar amounts. After you finish keying all necessary payroll information onto the screen, you may select the Save icon at the bottom right corner to post your payroll record. That concludes our tutorial. Hopefully, after viewing this video, you have a solid understanding about how to enter payroll information for your employees, as well as how to customize your Enter Payroll screen to your specifications. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to email our operations department. Thanks for watching.